Ever put something on and just feel underwhelmed? The fix isn't buying more clothes, it's styling smarter. Stay with me, because I'm sharing the tiny tweaks that turn fine into flawless. Spotting style ruts. Before we add excitement, we need to figure out why an outfit feels boring in the first place. Often, it comes down to the same traps. You might be relying too heavily on plain basics: black tees, neutral sweaters, the trusty blue jeans. They're comfortable, sure, but they can blend into the background if you don't add anything else. Then there's the accessory avoidance problem. Skipping jewelry, scarves, belts, or any kind of layering is like painting a room and stopping after the first coat. You've covered the surface, but the magic isn't there. Fit is another silent culprit. Clothes that are just a little too big or too tight change the entire mood of an outfit. An oversized sweater without definition can make you look like you're hiding from the world. A pair of trousers that pull at the seams can distract from everything else you're wearing. And then there's predictability. If your proportions are always the same, skinny jeans with a fitted top, or loose pants with a loose sweater, your style becomes a one-note song. Even your color choices might be part of the problem. Staying in the same muted palette without any texture or print can drain the energy out of even the most expensive look. Statement piece power. Now that we've identified the ruts, let's talk about the fastest way out of them. Statement pieces. You don't need a whole wardrobe of them. Just one well-chosen item can change the entire mood. A bold necklace over a simple black dress makes you look instantly put together. A patterned scarf around your neck, or even tied to your handbag, creates interest without overwhelming your look. Even something as small as a standout belt can shift the proportions of your outfit and define your silhouette. Throw a printed heel into an otherwise neutral ensemble, and suddenly, people think you've been planning your outfit all week. The beauty of a statement piece is that it works hard without asking for much in return. It's the conversation starter, the confidence booster, and the shortcut to looking intentional. Keep one or two within reach, and you'll never feel stuck in a boring outfit moment again. Layering with purpose. Layering is more than just adding warmth, it's about adding dimension. When you throw a blazer over a t-shirt, you create structure. Layer a shirt under a sleeveless dress, and suddenly, that dress becomes a year-round piece. Add a cardigan over a silk camisole, and you've got both texture and versatility. The beauty of layering is that it invites contrast. Mixing a crisp cotton shirt with a soft knit cardigan adds visual variety. A leather jacket over a flowing dress creates edge and softness all at once. The trick is to let the layers feel intentional, not accidental. Think about proportions: cropped jackets over long tops, or long line coats over shorter hemlines. Play with lengths, textures, and even colors that surprise you. The more deliberate the mix, the more elevated the outfit feels, even if the base is just jeans and a tee. Belts and tucks. Structure is the difference between I rolled out of bed and I have style. And one of the quickest ways to create it is by adjusting how you wear your clothes. A simple French tuck, where you tuck in just the front of your shirt, adds instant shape without looking stiff. Fully tucking in a top elongates your legs, while leaving it untucked can work beautifully when balanced with a fitted bottom. Belts, my friend, are a style superpower. A wide belt can turn a shapeless sweater dress into something chic. A slim belt on high-waisted trousers can highlight your waist and create proportion. Even worn over outerwear, belts can redefine a silhouette entirely. Don't be afraid to experiment. Switching a belt's color, texture, or buckle style can change an outfit's personality in seconds. And remember, it's not just about function. It's about framing your look so it flatters your shape and feels intentionally styled. Texture meets pattern. When an outfit feels boring, it's often because everything looks and feels the same. This is where texture steps in. Pair denim with silk for a mix of casual and luxe. Wear leather with lace to blend toughness and femininity. Throw a chunky knit over a satin skirt and let the contrast do the talking. Patterns, too, are a lifeline for a dull outfit. You don't need to dive into wild prints, just start small. Try a striped top under a neutral blazer, or a subtle polka dot shoe with a plain dress. The goal is to add something that catches the eye without overpowering the entire look. Shoes that transform. Shoes have the power to make or break your outfit. If you're wearing the same plain sneakers with everything, it might be time for a switch. Block heels can instantly elevate jeans and a tee. Loafers add polish to even the most casual looks. Patterned flats can add playfulness to an otherwise minimal outfit. And yes, sneakers can still work, but choose a sleek, fashion-forward pair instead of the ones you wear to run errands. Shoes are one of the easiest ways to inject personality into your style without overthinking the rest. Perfecting the fit. I cannot stress this enough. Fit changes everything. You can take a boring outfit and make it look expensive simply by making sure it fits perfectly. That might mean having trousers hemmed so they hit at just the right spot on your ankle, or taking in a blazer so it sits neatly at your shoulders. An oversized shirt can still look intentional if it's balanced with fitted bottoms or belted at the waist. The key is to create harmony between the garment and your body, so nothing looks accidental. Tailoring isn't just for formal wear, it's for your everyday pieces too. Even the most basic white button-down looks designer when it's shaped to skim your figure in all the right places. And when something fits beautifully, you'll naturally carry yourself differently. Clothes that fit don't just flatter your body, they elevate your posture, your confidence, and the way the world perceives you. Personal accessories. Accessories are the punctuation marks of an outfit. They can change the tone completely. A bright pair of earrings can add a playful twist to a work outfit. A delicate gold necklace layered with a bolder chain brings depth to a plain sweater. Even a silk scarf tied around your ponytail can make you look more polished in seconds. The trick is to choose accessories that feel like you. That's when they stop looking like add-ons and start feeling like a natural extension of your style. Think of them as your style signature. Maybe you're the woman with bold cocktail rings, or the one who always has a silk scarf knotted just so. Accessories give your outfits personality, and the best ones often become conversation starters. They're the easiest way to experiment with trends without overhauling your wardrobe, and they can turn even the simplest outfit into something unforgettable. Confidence factor. Here's something most people forget. Your presence is part of your outfit. The way you walk into a room, your posture, the way you carry yourself, all of it affects how people read your look. A confident stance can make the simplest jeans and tee combo look intentional. You could have the most beautifully styled outfit, but if you wear it like you're trying to hide, it loses its magic. The opposite is also true. Wear a simple black dress with confidence, and it suddenly becomes the most captivating thing in the room. Think about your expression, too. A subtle smile, relaxed shoulders, and an unhurried pace can elevate your whole vibe. Accessories matter, but so does the way you hold your bag or tilt your chin. It's not about arrogance, it's about quiet assurance that says, I belong here. Confidence can't be bought, but it can be practiced. Start small, stand taller, slow your steps, and own your space. You'll be surprised how quickly it transforms your style energy. Now, here's the thing. These styling upgrades, they only work if you bring this next element into play. Skip it, and your outfit makeover won't hit the same. Outfit makeovers. Let's run through a few transformations so you can see how these fixes work in real life. Imagine starting with a plain white tee and mom jeans. Alone, it's fine, but it's not memorable. Now, add a printed silk scarf loosely around your neck, do a soft side tuck, and swap sneakers for block heels. You've gone from grocery run to cafe chic. Take a basic black shift dress. On its own, it's minimal, maybe too minimal. Add a belted blazer, a chunky statement necklace, and ankle boots. Now it's sharp, structured, and evening ready. Or consider an oversized sweater with leggings. Instead of letting it hang shapelessly, belt it at the waist, add a long line coat or denim jacket, and slip into loafers. The outfit is still cozy but suddenly has shape and intention. Even a plain button down with trousers can be transformed. Roll up the sleeves, tuck it neatly into the waistband, add bold earrings, and step into patterned flats. Now it's professional but with personality. You probably have more style potential hanging in your closet than you think. It's just waiting for a little spark. Change how you see your clothes, and suddenly even your worst pieces turn into head turners. And if you're curious about a few insider rules that can completely change the game for your outfits, this next video might just be your new obsession.